Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to beat daily challenges in Vita Mahjong on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. First, check if the challenge is speed limit or time limit. Speed limit means you can only make certain numbers or move. Time limit means you must finish before the times run out. Knowing this helps you play with strategy from the start. For step limit challenges, don't just match tiles randomly. Focus on tiles that are open up the most new options. Clear top layers first and work on clusters to avoid wasting moves. For the time limit challenges, speed is key. Scan the board quickly for free tiles on the sides and top. Match the easiest pairs first to open space fast. Don't space too long at one area. Keep your eyes moving. Use in shuffle or undo to help you finish challenges. In shows a match instantly. Shuffles give new matches if you stop. The more you play daily challenges, the better you will spot patterns and free tiles quickly. And that's it. By planning moves, working effectively, and using power-ups wisely, you can play daily challenges in Vita Mahjong on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.